Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So tonight we are set up a photo shoot backdrop for my daughter's not sweet 16, my Bobby says sweet 16 for my daughter's 6 months, a half birthday. And then tomorrow is my birthday, February the 10th. So I'm gonna do like a photo shoot for my birthday for her. And this is the backdrop. I have the other decorations and stuff I'm gonna put on it. I think the kitchen light is too bright. I'm turning off the light, wait. See if it looks better. A little dark, but anyways, and I can see me better. So this is the little setup. We're gonna put on some decorations and stuff on it, and tomorrow we're gonna do a photo shoot. So basically I'm gonna just spend the day with me. Now spend the night with me setup, then I'm gonna spend tomorrow with me. I do the photo shoot. And that's what this vlog is about. So remember to tell me happy birthday in the comment section, okay? And hey mama, she just has to stay with us, right? So buy that pack here from Amazon. So we're gonna set this up. So this supposed to spell out halfway to 6. So no, let me attack say balloon's supposed to spell out halfway to 1, I think, or halfway there, something like that. Guys, sorry about being MIA. Not like it? I'm not done it though. But still no. When I'm telling you I'm gonna stay on my through the process, but my phone storage set full, the baby start cry, and Shara just did over it. So I just delete like a bunch of stuff from my phone and I try to get some clips for adding another video. But this is what it looks like so far. This is one of our they call it on the diaper box. So I just stuff it with like blankets and sheets and stuff. Then we'll use on our blanket to cover it. And then look at this nice little blanket. So I'm gonna turn on the camera because it kind of look weird with the front camera, like the letters in back and front. But this is what it looks like. As I was trying to say before my phone storage keep going out, she got that blanket from one of her aunties. It's personalized and I love personalized gift. So this was like an awesome gift. But this is what it's looking like. I have some other stuff like the lightings to put up, and I have some other balloons and stuff to put up. But you know, because I'm gone so long, this I have a show now what it look like. So let me know if you guys like it. So this is the finished look. So as I said previously, Riri got daddy come help straighten the letters and stuff and just make stuff look more straight. But this is the final look. Okay guys, so that's it. Sorry I'm never gonna be taking through the entire video because as I said, my phone storage just hit full. The baby did I cry, there's too much stuff that happened. I try to get out my camera, but the battery did I don't know, like everything for me just something just happened to it. But as I said, that's it. I like it. So tomorrow baby girl will go, well, Sunday she'll be 6 months. Not tomorrow. Tomorrow is actually, well, yeah, tomorrow she'll be 6 months after 12. Today is my birthday, so remember to tell me happy birthday down in the comment section. And we'll see you later, okay? Bye. Good morning. Well, about after 12, so good afternoon. You know, I'm up. Baby girl ready for our photo shoot. It's raining on my birthday. Must be a blessing. It's a blessing. It's raining. You're very colorful. You look like a circus. Now we can put on quick though. That is it. Transform. I like that for you. Okay. You feel Miss Dolly like you? Remember Miss Dolly? You kinda,
outside is giving winter.
You kind of have a look at sturdy too.
This year, yeah, pushing it now. Pushing it.
No, sir. Who you teach with the rice?
You better, all the pasta did yesterday.
The pasta already.
One, where?
Tell them. What a pasta cake.
Sorry.
Tell them. Tell them. So just do the get to know me video so I can check that out on my channel when I put it up. Anyways, Pinky, I cook for my birthday and spoil the food. The food spoiled.
I'm embarrassing him.
Pinky spoil the food for my birthday. Pinky still for people and catch cold feet.
What can I want of them one?
I'm showing the cake my husband buy me.
When look, Pinky, look on the back.
How that, man?
Yeah.
And a cup of wine, you understand me? The chef.
Mama cake, them want my daughter cake. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end off that video. Happy birthday to me again. I'm gonna end off the video. I'm gonna go happy birthday. Bomba cleat. That hot? Yeah. That hot? Anyways guys, that's it for this video. Comment and I'll leave an happy birthday. I'm gonna leave a link for my birthday list down in the comment section, in the description box. So if you don't want to get me anything, it's down there as I say. It's better late than never. And yeah, so I'm gonna check out. I'm gonna try to see if I can edit the video and get it posted by hopefully tomorrow or Monday. Okay, love y'all. Bye.